Life is full of unexpected challenges, but staying calm under pressure is a skill you can develop. The ancient Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, taught powerful principles to build mental toughness and inner peace. In this video, we'll explore 7 timeless Stoic principles that can help you stay calm in any situation. Let's begin. 1. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stoicism teaches us that most things in life are beyond our control. Traffic, people's opinions, even the weather. But what is in our control? Our thoughts, actions, and reactions. Focus on what you can change and let go of what you can't. 2. Perception is everything. People are not disturbed by things, but by the views they take of them. Epictetus. A situation itself isn't good or bad. Our perception makes it so. When faced with adversity, ask yourself, is this as bad as I think? Can I see it differently? Shifting your mindset can transform challenges into opportunities. 3. Memento Mori. Remember you will die. It may sound morbid, but remembering that life is temporary helps us appreciate each moment. Seneca said, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say. Instead of stressing over small problems, focus on what truly matters." 4. Amor fati. Love your fate. The Stoics believed in embracing everything that happens, good or bad. Nietzsche later called this amor fati, or love of fate. Instead of resisting life's difficulties, see them as lessons or stepping stones to growth. Every setback carries a hidden opportunity. 5. Take action, not just words. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. True Stoicism isn't about knowing the right thing. It's about doing it. When faced with fear or hesitation, ask yourself, what's the next right action? Then, take that step. 6. Practice voluntary discomfort. Seneca recommended practicing poverty, sleeping on the floor, fasting, or wearing simple clothes. Why? Because when you expose yourself to discomfort, you train your mind to handle hardships better. If you can endure little difficulties, big challenges won't shake you. 7. Be virtuous, not just successful. The Stoics believed that true success isn't about money or fame. It's about virtue. Courage, wisdom, justice, and self-discipline make up the Stoic virtues. When making decisions, ask yourself, am I acting with integrity? Am I being the best version of myself? A peaceful mind comes from living a life aligned with your values. Stoicism isn't just philosophy, it's a way of life. By practicing these 7 principles, you can develop unshakable mental toughness and stay calm in any situation. Which principle resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more timeless wisdom. Stay strong, stay stoic.